Hello, my name is Andrea Alms. I'm technology investor and financial manager, and this is your Money in Motion. Why eggs might not be in the store? Well, bird flu or avian flu have increased among animals, including cows, wild birds, poultry, and even pets. More than 150 million poultry birds have been killed across all 50 states since 2022 in an attempt to combat a strain of bird flu known as H5N1, and whose effects are now leaving grocery stores empty where cartons used to sit. At Spherical Insight, the global market was 1.4 billion in 2023 and is projected to reach 2.18 billion by 2033 at a compound average growth rate of 4.53%. At Insight Ace Analytics, market size in 2023 was 1.41 billion at a growth rate of 5.82%. It is expected to reach 2.17 billion in 2031. At Coherent Market Insight, the market was 1.43 billion in 2023 and expected to reach 2.03 billion in 2030 at a growth rate of 5.1%. Averaging the averages, the market is 1.4 billion at a 5.2% growth rate. Thank you. This is your money in motion.